Hi and welcome back to Machines Visit. Today, we're covering 6 detailed production lines for large machinery. But before the video starts, please hit like, subscribe, and tap the bell icon so you never miss our upcoming releases. Belaz Plant. Mining trucks. If you need the highest load capacity, Belaz Plant is your top option. They hold the world record for payload, with a lineup that includes revolutionary mining dump trucks, off-road haulers, loaders, dozers, and vehicles for steel mill operations. At Belaz, every unit undergoes rigorous testing to ensure it leaves the factory in perfect condition. They also offer specialized equipment like concrete mixers, battery-powered carts, and soil compactors. You can count on every machine delivering top-tier quality and outstanding performance. Caterpillar 797F mining truck PRODUCTION. Zooming in, here's the Caterpillar 797F mining truck build. This hauler stands out in its class for delivering the lowest cost per ton. It's driven by a 4,000 HP, 2,983 kilowatts power plant, available in 4x4 setup, with a 175mm bore and 220mm stroke. It features high-altitude capability, minimal upkeep, and a rated payload of 400 short tons, 364 metric tons. Plus, it offers precise control through oil-cooled disc brakes at all 4 corners. The footage reveals the robotic production line and full manufacturing sequence. A must-see. Leave her. Building the T282C mining truck. Marshall Trailers has earned a reputation as one of the most forward-thinking producers around. Customer confidence shows in their constant high demand. From just 46 units in 1952, output jumped to over 1,600 annually by the mid-1960s. The company phased out old arc welders for modern MIG systems, boosting capacity to 2,000 units per year while keeping standards high. Production speed, precision, and flow are enhanced by smart plant layout and rotary distributors. Now let's check out DOSF Land, a name built on proven, cutting-edge German tractor engineering. This equips them to deliver current answers for today's challenges. Their range covers tractors, track machines, and Argo crawlers tailored for advanced agriculture. Come harvest time, farmers need reliable ways to move heavy loads. DOSF Land answers with front-end loaders that solve every lifting issue. Minimal handwork means less time and fewer resources spent. They're also leaders in smart farming tech baked into every unit, guaranteeing peak output and efficiency in the field or during harvest. Beyond performance, operator safety remains a core priority. Marshall TRILERS Fast. We've already come to the last item on the list. That's all for the 6 step-by-step assembly lines for heavy equipment. Did you enjoy watching? If so, please don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and click the notification bell. We would also be glad to hear your thoughts and suggestions in the comments below. Till next time, thank you for watching.